My video tutorial is about getting rid of the ransomware called Uazq. Uazq is a new ransomware belonging to the DJVU ransomware family. This particular ransomware is called like that because it encrypts files and appends this Uazq extension to the file names. As a consequence, it is just impossible to use the data anymore. Then the ransomware encrypts the files and damages the data essentially. After people restart their computers and they suddenly realize that they can no longer access their data. This particular ransomware encrypts the files and appends the Uazq extension to the file Uazq extension to the file names, and it is impossible to use the data. Of course, I forgot to mention that my video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. If you did not hear this phrase properly, I want to say it again. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. For those people who did not want to hear me correctly, that's your problem, I'm sorry. So don't ask me questions like how to decrypt the files, because I cannot help you to decrypt your files. I only show this video explaining what exactly this ransomware does. Unfortunately, I cannot help you recover your files. Anyway, very soon users just realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware encrypts files and appends this Uazq extension to the file names. As a consequence, it's just impossible to use the files. Then the ransomware reveals a special ransom note indicating that the ransom needs to be paid for file restoration, but I urge you not to waste your money and not to pay that ransom. I recommend you to scan your computer additionally with the help of reliable antivirus, such as Combo Cleaner. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then start thoroughly researching your system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available. Click on the Start Scan button. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or any other types of threats. So after the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching and investigating your system. You can upgrade to Premium and you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.